How to delete Paramount Plus account. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to delete your Paramount account. So all you have to do here to delete your account in Paramount Plus is simply contact paramountplus.com/contact us in order for you to request the deletion of your account. But if you're subscribed for Apple, you can actually request an account deletion from the Apple Store. And if you would like to exercise your rights and privacy is available to you, you can visit the www.comcbsprivacy.com to manage your rights, where you can submit your request through your privacy with them. But basically, if you want to delete your account, all you have to do is to contact Paramount Plus and you can request a deletion from there. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!